Let's cut to the chase. Everybody knows black people have had it hard in America. Our culture has been robbed and cheated out of its natural brilliance, only to double back and beg its oppressor for a smidgen of what has always been owed to us. At some point, black folks, we have to come to grips that just a few of us getting out of this economic hellhole that we've been forced into is not enough. If you think about it, what sense does it make to ask the criminals to give back what they stole, especially when the criminals are in charge of the laws? We have to think smarter, not just work harder. Did you know that in 2017, a study was done by the group Prosperity Now that estimates by 2053, the median black family wealth will be zero. Yes, I said $0. According to the Survey of Consumer Finances, as of 2019, the median black family wealth was $24,100, while the median white family wealth was $188,200. Ask yourself, how can we overcome 400 plus years of being held back in a system that has never rewarded black people fully for their hard work? In fact, they labeled the hardest working group in America since inception as lazy. Hundreds of years of free labor, and we're labeled the laziest culture. This has to change, but this time by our hands and our rules. No cowering or even negotiating with the black image. We have to take a stand and say no more playing with our culture like it's the thing to do. This oppressive regime over black brilliance ends now. Judging by that study, black folks, we can't keep playing the same games with the same rules and expecting a different outcome. We have to do something drastically different, or we will face extreme poverty in 31 years. I don't know about you, but I want to have more power over our destinies in 31 years, not less. In fact, if you check with the 2019 census.gov stats, the median black family wealth was $14,100. Yes, $10,000 less than the Survey of Consumer Finances stated. If the census is correct, we've got less than 31 years to right this ship. We must act now. I'm developing Black Unity. Check it out, blackunity.com, a social network designed to bring black people together on topics and issues we all face that need to be discussed and resolved. We are stronger together, and this network will prove that in a matter of years, not decades nor centuries. I've always been told that it takes a village to raise a child. Well, we're currently raising $250,000 to further the advancement of this village we call Black Unity, to raise the black community. You can support Black Unity's mission by donating to our GoFundMe. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to email us at hello@blackunity.com.